Good morning. Ooh.
It's intense.
Son, what I need to be hello. Guys. Look who's here. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. Of course you're good. I mean, subscribe to the channel. Hello. Subscribe to this channel. This is a vlog, obviously. I mean, since I'm two and stuff, this is definitely a vlog. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps grow the channel, guys. We are going somewhere. Comment down below. Where do you think we're going? It's the weekend. It's Saturday. Good morning. Ooh. And what's going on with the weather? Like, what happened? Everything just became so. What's happening? The weather's so. It's cold, and my voice is a bit scratchy, so that's not a good sign. But anyway, guys, tune in, subscribe to this channel. Bye.
Who's a photo?
What's up, guys? I'm back. Yo, guys, it's been
We are back. This is my sister.
Tell him to stop. So, we're on our way to the airport right now. I said, guys, comment down below. Where do you think I'm going? Comment down below right now. I'm waiting.
I'm streaming live.
No. Okay, thank you. Thank you, guys. You're wrong. I'm going there. But anyway, we're on our way now. Boohle.
Shucks. Oh, I'm putting my pin.
Pouring petrol. Our brother's taking us to the airport.
And I'm the brother.
You guys all know him already from that video. Here.
Where I was killing the chicken.
Yeah, he's the one who made the chickens.
Yes.
Madara. We go around with Madara as people. We don't have a choice. Like family. Can't lose family, right? Yo. Okay. Bye, guys. At the airport. Yeah, sorry for the bad lighting. We're going to look for the bathroom right now because I'm so pressed. I lied, Boohle. So apparently we're late. So guys, airport craziness is doing the most to us right now. We are trying to hurry. It's just see ya. Bye. We are ready to go. Oh, it's on the phone. Made it on time. Guys, it was rough. Yo. Personally, I'm exhausted. This mask is just not giving me some air to breathe.
Yeah, layers.
Yes!
Good luck on your gig tonight.
Thank you, babes. Bye. Bye, sweetie. Thanks for coming. How are you feeling now, Larissa? How feel? So people, we're waiting for the driver to get here. So that why are you saying everything I'm saying?
The driver is wearing black jeans and a navy jean.
I don't know. Why
Jeans
did
are black and navy jeans.
why didn't he tell us what he's driving? Like,
No, that's what you said.
I don't get slandangnya VW. I see.
Yes, I said that. I just need to see somebody wearing black jeans and navy.
I think give it up.
So guys, we have found a Gina black, Gina black and navy jeans. We found them, so now we are moving. This is my entry. I'm just showing you a update.
That's good, people. Touchdown in Durban and all of that. Yeah, so everything is fine. We're gonna see what's gonna happen today. I'm saying, oh, you guys know now we're in Durban. You guys didn't know. You commented the wrong location, or you didn't comment at all. If you didn't comment that my booty. I didn't comment. Do it. Okay, bye. It's so dark. Hi. Come through. Hi. So I'm here, guys. I'm showing you a room tour of this place. This is the kitchen. As you all know, this is the tap. Thank you very much. This is the bathroom. I need to find the lights. Oh, there you go. The lights. It's very nice. I love the shower. Let me see if I fit because I'm dying. Guys, this is how I shower. I shower like this. Okay, so iboshi leli babanise abanye abantwana bathanda ukuphaka iboshi, yeah. Stop. So moving right along, I do have something very, very mysterious to show you. Here I have my safe. So guys, I have a password, but right now I'm gonna find it. But the fuck is yeah, I'll be fine. Then we have space here for laundry. So you put your dirty clothes over here, and I think this is just a cupboard space for clothes, right? And we have a goober there. It's brown.
Ew.
A person who knows me knows that I don't like brown. Terrible idea.
This is actually your color.
Come through, come through. So this is the bedroom. So what?
Ooh, what a mess. What?
Okay. So this is the bedroom, guys. I love that. It's just not my color. I love the lamps. The picture over there, the detail is very awesome. I would have this in my house because of the colors. My color scheme, yeah. So moving right along. This is a TV. This is a luggage. Something.
Luggage.
As you can see, that everything is just all over the place. I don't know. And then, yeah, guys, this is where you sit. This is the mirror. Mirror. Oh no. What's the purpose of them? Oh. And then, wow, beautiful view. This is actually beautiful. So that we can fall.
Is it this one?
Pretty much that's just about it. Unless this room goes somewhere.
Uh-oh. Ding, ding, ding.
Guys, there's a door and then there's another door. What is in there?
A man.
A man!
Bum, bum, bum.
I don't do men. Let's go over to Bootle's room so that we can do a room tour that side. Let's go.
Dun, dun, dun.
Let's go. We are playing.
Oh.
Let's go.
Ooh.
Let's go in. Come on in.
Yes, I agree. The lighting here. Yo. Welcome to Bootle's room.
Welcome to Bootle's room. So this is the lighting.
The rooms are the same. The view is I wanna sit there. Yeah, Maragashrizayo.
Let's go.
Sonela, mama, hey, let me close. Spiders. Hey, spider, no.
Bootle can deal with snakes, but she can't deal with spiders. Oh, I'm a vandal. She's already on top of things, bro. I'm ready. Permission. I'm about to break the page for the second time. Let go. Let go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I was so scared.
What are you drinking? I'm drinking ginger tea.
That's good for you.
Thank you, baby.
You want me to Hey. Anikulumi nivulele la.
usigqoke.
Yo, what up?
What's good?
Anyway, Sigwamashu. Sigwamashu. We here to eat some meat because we're hungry. We haven't eaten all day, and the time is 4, right? It's 4 p.m.
So guys, we are heading to our official gigitation. Yeah, we're heading to the gig. We're going to the live, guys. Ready to bounce.
Yeah, mama, nigga.
Ooh, I was saying shit. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the last day. We are leaving. We are going to the airport right now. There's Boohle over there. Budala Boohle. Guys. I'm out there. I'm going today. It's because of a man who wants me dead. The day after. Is that right? No, I mean, I'm not getting right, but like the guys want me dead. All men want us dead. All men want us dead. At least because in like, no, never forget that day. No. Either white or men's with us dead. I don't get it. Niggas want to fucking see us dead and buried. They want to suicide us.
Boohle usile. Boohle usile ufuna ukwa.
No, I'll be there. Oh, it's a teleport. Teleport. Look down. Teleport. Look down. Look down. So we are going to gate A11. Look at over there. It's A1. Dun dun. Dun dun. Sally. Sorry. Just saying, guys, that wasn't me. I'm a Zaza baby pants. It's a party in that one. Guys, we just boarded. In actual fact, I mean, I'm tired. We came back to the hotel around 3, I think, or 2, something like 2:30, and obviously we didn't sleep, so.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome and welcome.
It's so nice meets on the plane.
Bese antsini nyoki muhle.
Bese ngiyithathe inyoka ngiyibambe kanje ukuthi wena ngifuna bona ngitshela ngathi se-classroomini. Yayiza itekisi yalisi iteksi yejozi. Yakutshela wena.
Joburg, what it do? I'm back. I'm back in Joburg. Touchdown. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Comment, like, subscribe. This is the end of my vlog. Say bye bye.